Apple CarPlay enables your vehicle to be an extension of your phone. Whether you're running errands around town or taking longer road trips, Apple CarPlay makes driving a safer, more enjoyable experience. Plug your USB phone charger into the connection at the center console, and it automatically connects your phone to Apple CarPlay. You see compatible apps on your mobile phone, and they simultaneously show up on your vehicle's touchscreen. Access your favorite apps like navigation, Spotify, Pandora, and even text hands-free. For those of you that enjoy road trips, or if on your commute to work you listen to podcasts, you can start and stop podcasts from your vehicle's touchscreen and change stations on Spotify or Pandora. Your vehicle is fully integrated, receiving and making calls, all without having to touch your phone. You can also ask Siri to make phone calls, or send text messages for you, play your favorite song, or even be your private DJ. Apple CarPlay not only makes driving more enjoyable, it makes it safer as well. Once you're connected, you never have to search for your phone and take your eyes off the road. It is easy to maneuver, and once you've driven with it, you'll never want to drive without it.